I am on my way to class. I'm actually really proud of myself because I did my makeup and it's at 8 a.m. I mentioned in the last video that I didn't necessarily like the Candy K Kylie lip color. You know, I think I've changed my mind. I feel like, so I have the newer formula of it at my apartment at school. And when I put it on today, I guess I just haven't worn it in a while. I actually really like it. I think I like the newer formula, like, color. Like, I feel like it's the perfect color for me. So, I literally have nothing else to say. I just wanted to put that thought out there. I love these lashes. I feel like they're not too much, but they're enough to show. I can link them. I mentioned them in my last video. I did not link them though, so I will link them. The Ardell Naturals, and the number is 421. So I'm gonna go to my 2 classes for the day, and I'll see what else I need to do after that. Hello! So I just got my hair done. It looks good. Excuse my bronzer, definitely got washed off, but I'm kind of like going to the sunlight. LOL, this looks super weird, but I love her. She always does such a great job with my hair. She takes really good care of it. So, oh God, I literally hate when you can't see where you're going because it's so bright. Anyways. But she has done a wonderful job because I severely messed my hair up back in the day in like middle school. And then I used to use clarifying shampoo because I didn't know how else to avoid oily roots. And now I just use like one of those hair scrubber brush things, and I wash my hair. Well, I wash it twice, but I really focus on the roots the second time and just scrub it so hard. And that has worked. It doesn't last as long as the clarifying shampoo, but like for the sake of my hair, I will do it. So, just wanted to update you. We are going to head off back home. I'm going to drink my afternoon coffee because I need it. And then I'm off to work. Alright guys, on today's dinner menu, we have, I'm steaming some vegetables. Steaming is not what I'm doing. I don't even know what this is called. Grilling? Frying? I don't know. Mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, oh my god. Mushrooms, broccoli, carrots, onion, zucchini. I cannot talk. And I put some salt, pepper, and soy sauce. I'm also going to be making chocolate covered strawberries here in a minute. But doing that, and then if you guys haven't tried them, these, oh, you can barely see it, but it's stuffed salmon. Ignore me, I just got out of the shower, but that is why I'm wearing a robe. But I decided to try the stuffed salmons from Sam's Club. I believe it's like $16 for 4 really big like stuffed salmons with like crab meat and shrimp. It's pretty good. I'm putting a twist on it with soy sauce, so hopefully it turns out well. But I love seafood, so that is all for right now. Just wanted to let you know. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so again, not as aesthetically pleasing because when I tried to get the salmon off of the plate, it just like kind of fell apart on me. But you know what? It's gonna be good. I just wanted to show you guys. Look at all them yummy vegetables. Love it. And you should definitely, if you have a Sam's Club membership or Costco, I'm sure has something similar, you should definitely try it. Hey guys, I'm looking very, very, very rough this morning. Oh my god, that makes me want to like just fix my hair because it looks like a croissant. At this point, this vlog is going to be very late getting posted, but honestly, I haven't had that much to vlog about that would be interesting. Unfortunately, actually, the dog you just saw in my very first, like, coming back video passed away. That was my Yorkie, Lily. She was very sick. She was being treated for, I don't remember what the heart disease was called, but that started about 3 years ago, and that medicine, unfortunately, kind of makes kidney failure onset. The only thing they can really do for kidney failure is give them a special diet, and unfortunately she refused to eat any of it. So we just let it go. We let it live, like, let her live her life as she wanted to. Fast forward to now, she stopped eating at the beginning of this week for good. She kind of started last week, but she gave us a little bit of hope, eating like random assortments of foods. At that point, we were just, you know, feeding her whatever she would eat, which was human foods. But she ultimately, she was very lethargic, you know, all the signs that stage 4 kidney failure shows in dogs, like the main one being the chemical smelling breath, because all of those toxins get in there. So that was really rough. I've never had to put a dog down ever. And on top of that, I've had that dog since I was 8 years old. And it's been really hard on me. To any of you that have also been experiencing this, I'm only sharing this because I'm hoping it can help somebody. When they're in pain, I think it was my duty to make that decision, to let her go. We did an in-home euthanasia because it wasn't that much more expensive where I live, and I wanted her to be comfortable. She did go as peaceful as it could have gone. She just wasn't herself anymore, and I just think it was the right thing to do. If we wouldn't have intervened, it probably would have happened like very, very soon, because at that point she was on day 4 of not eating. My advice from this whole experience and what I've learned so far: ignore my hair. Oh my god, it's like a horn. Alright, I'll try to fix it. You know, honor their memory. I'm a type of person who's a planner through and through. I've found out, even in times like these, because I knew in the moment it would be hard. So I went ahead and ordered like a shadow box that I want to put everything in, and like her little harness, and a little tuft of fur, and her paw print. I'll show you guys when it comes. I also got a cremation necklace, a little pendant, and I very much intend on wearing that every day for the next however long. So that's my first thought right there, of advice. Oh dear God, don't let them suffer in pain. For me, I think before was the hardest part. Seeing them in pain is the hardest part. Knowing they're not themselves. You know, they're no longer there anymore. The dog or person. I've been through this with my grandpa. It's been very similar. It's no longer there. You gotta let that memory live on somewhere else, you know. When they're gone, it's like now all you have left is what you've documented, which leads to my third and very important point. Take as many pictures and videos as you can. Back that up. Make sure you never lose them. I'm so grateful that I've been on that, and you know, I have all these memories to cherish with her, and they're documented. So even the little moments that don't seem significant, document it. live in the moment for the ones you don't, and really cherish those memories when they're being ornery, when they make you mad. Like, just know that you love them, and you know there's probably an underlying meaning to why they're acting how they are. I always try to tell myself that, and that keeps me at bay. And keeping yourself busy. Life goes on. I'm a very high-functioning person. I took my time to mourn the past couple days. I got really lucky, I guess, with the timing of it. If it was going to be at any time, my exam got pushed back. I had time to not do any school. There was a literal, like, ice storm, so I couldn't work, really. So I had the pleasure, I guess, that's probably not the right word, but just the luck to be able to mourn and spend the last few days with her uninterrupted, and I can be so grateful for that. You know, and also grateful I don't have to drag her to another house in a couple months. You know, that would have been really stressful. She's been to so many at this point because, like I said, I've had her since I was 8. So I'm just so grateful that I got to spend so long with her, given that my mom didn't take her to the vet for so many years. And then when I was of age, you know, and kind of understanding, you know, what I needed to do, I started doing that, and thank God I did. I prolonged her life for about, it seems like 3 more years, and she had a happy life right up until, you know, her past couple of days. And my vet was very nice during the process, very understanding. Being in such a crappy situation, I couldn't have asked for it to go better, I guess. I've had so much support from my friends and my family and the community of social media. If there's one good thing about social media, being a part of certain groups when stuff like this happens, like for all my dogs, I'm a part of their breeds group on like Facebook, for instance, and having a community come together and send their condolences, share their experiences, it helps me a lot. So I highly advise, you know, even if you don't have the best family and friends support, to get somewhere where you can find people that can support you. And I've been so lucky to have all of that. So all of it combined, and I'm forever grateful. I'm going to keep honoring her memory. I'm going to open the windows. I'm not a person to open the windows because I'm not going to go into it, but I was robbed from an open window, but I'm going to open the windows. You know what? I'm going to open the windows because that's what Lily would have liked. She loved to look out an open window and bark and lay in the sun, and I'm going to honor that in her memory. And I'll probably start throwing some treats too, just outside, just for her. I mean, whatever makes you feel better, you know, whatever helps you get through it. So journaling and vlogging, in this case, my experience has helped me a lot. I'm considering getting back into therapy sooner than I thought because it's been a really stressful time. My therapist actually left, unfortunately, a couple months ago to a new practice, and I wasn't able to keep her. Get into therapy if you're not. You do need it. Everybody needs it or something, you know. It can be useful for anything. Anyways, I'm going to end my little TED Talk, my little soapbox. Probably going to end this vlog here because I have some other content I can put with it. You know, I asked you guys what you wanted. I've gotten some suggestions. I think I'm just gonna roll with it, whatever comes to mind. And I think that just going through life, someone somewhere will find it useful, and that's all I really want from this. I don't really care if it takes off. You know, I have my life going for me. It's not like I'm in this for the money or something to get famous. So if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna be one bit surprised, but I just hope that I can help someone out there. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful February. I hope it has been better than mine. And I will see you guys in the next video.